நிஜமான கதைகளு சுவையோடு சுகமாக உருவான கதைகளு.
குட்டி ஸ்டோரியோட ஒலி புத்தக பகுதியில் இன்னைக்கு நான் வாசிக்க போகிற நூல் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபார் கிட்ஸ் சிவில் ரைட்ஸ் மூமெண்ட். இந்த புத்தகம் டினோ பிபின்ற பப்ளிஷிங் ஹவுஸோடது. Thurgood Marshall, a lawyer and a judge of the US Supreme Court, Thurgood Marshall was born in Baltimore, Maryland on July 2nd, 1908. He is famous for becoming the first African American appointed as a judge in the United States Supreme Court. Thurgood's father was a steward in an all-white club, and his mother was a teacher. Also, Thurgood's grandfather was a slave who escaped from his master during the Civil War. Although Thurgood was a good student, his outspokenness, his love for arguments and debates got him into trouble many times. Moreover, his dad loved to go to the courts and to watch cases being fought and won, and many times Thurgood would accompany him. This early insight into the US justice system triggered the love of studying law in the mind of young Thurgood. He completed his college degree from Lincoln University in Pennsylvania and wanted to enroll for a law degree at the University of Maryland. As per the segregation laws in place at that time, the university did not admit him because he was an African American. Therefore, he went to Harvard University and graduated with a law degree in 1933. He set up a small firm in Baltimore, and his first important case in the form of an African American student, Donald Murray, who wanted to sue the University of Maryland for not enrolling him under segregation laws. Thurgood remembered his own rejection, took on the case, and won. After this win, the University of Maryland had no choice but to admit African American students. His passion for civil rights and his lawyering skills won him praise and popularity. In fact, he came to be known as Mr. Civil Rights. He became the main lawyer at NAACP and fought numerous cases against racial discrimination. His most significant case was that of Brown versus Board of Education, and the arguments here presented to the court and the jury resulted in a landmark decision to end segregation in public schools all over the United States. The most significant legacy of Thurgood Marshall was that he showed people that positive changes can happen through law or correct legislation. He used the United States justice system to win cases for people who were wrongfully arrested and to set right incorrect laws. The civil rights movement would not have been successful if people like the ones mentioned in this chapter did not put their hearts and souls into it. And yet, there were many, many more people whose names have been lost among the thousands who participated in this mammoth movement. However, their contribution, no matter how small, enhanced the power of the movement. இந்த தொகுப்பில் வர அடுத்த அத்தியாயத்தை நம்ம நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம்.